Hi guys, this is Rick from Be Green with Amy. We cooked up some lasagna the other day on Chef AJ Live. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how we package it inside of our freezer bags so that you can turn around and save it for a later date. This is the unit that we use. It's a Food Saver Plus. This is the lasagna that we are going to bag up. Makes it into nice sealable vacuum packed bags that you refreeze. You write the date on it and what it is. Okay, so the first thing you do is pull out the wrap. I bring it out about a handful, then you turn around and lock it down, which seals it up. Then there's a little cutter wheel that you just slide across, cuts it open. Take the bag, I turn it inside out because this is where it's going to seal and you don't want any wetness on that seal. Though I think it'll work either way. And you take the lasagna and scoop a piece out and you stick it in. I'm going to make it 2 slices of lasagna per bag because Amy and I basically eat it with 2 people. She'll eat one of these, I'll eat the other, and sometimes have a little left over for a snack at another time. Okay, and you take this, stick it inside the vacuum. Press down. It automatically seals it up after it vacuums out all the air. And once it's finished sealing, it just drops right out. Then you have a little moisture here on top, which I just turn around and wipe with a paper towel. But there it is. I flatten it out a little bit to make it a little bit more freezer better. But you see that? And that's all it is. And I'll go through and it'll take me about, maybe 5-10 minutes. And then we'll write the name on it of what it is and what date. And it'll be done. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the sealed up bag. We'll have about 2, 4, 5 more of these. And we'll be done. And then we'll have dinner for 7 different days, if not more. Be strong, be well.